Hello friends. From this video you will learn what you need to feed tomato seedlings now, so that she grows plump, does not stretch out, so that she actively began the growth of young leaves. You can see how well the top is growing on my seedlings now. This is primarily due to the fact that in previous videos I showed you what I put in the cup. As you can see, the seedlings have taken root. Only about a week has passed and look how big the seedlings are already, compared to what I planted it in these cups. As you can see, the organic top dressing that I talked about in the last video will leave a link here in the upper right corner. It really works. But a week later, it is already possible to feed seedlings after transplantation, and it is also desirable to do this not with some aggressive chemistry, but with an accessible and very effective top dressing for everyone. This video will focus on succinic acid. It is sold in any pharmacy. There is also a specialized succinic acid, which is sold directly in garden stores, but it is more expensive there, and there is no difference, and actually preparing top dressing is very simple. I will show you the example of 1 liter of water, respectively. Increasing the proportions, you can prepare a top dressing in a larger volume. For your seedlings, we will need only 2 tablets of 25 milligrams. In total we get half a gram. These 2 tablets need to be dissolved in 2 pints of water. It is better to take warm water. You can immediately crush it so the dissolution will be much faster. And if you have time, you can just throw tablets into warm water, and within half an hour they will completely dissolve. And the advantages of using succinic acid for seedlings are due to the acceleration of the formation of chlorophyll in cells, respectively. The processes occur faster, and also the nutrition from the soil of the cup is absorbed faster by seedlings. Therefore, it stimulates the growth of the root system, as well as the above-ground green mass. This will already be noticeable within a few days after the application of succinic acid. It also accelerates the adaptation of seedlings in the ground. It will be possible to repeat this feeding later when planting seedlings in the open ground. It also helps to restore seedlings after diseases and prevents the accumulation of toxins and nitrates in the plant. And probably the most important thing for all gardeners, succinic acid is universal, safe for the environment and plants, affordable, and most importantly at a low price. Feed about 50 milliliters into each pot. Succinic acid will penetrate deep into the cup and begin to be absorbed by the entire root system. Well, one more important point. If you have already fed something the day before, then you need to stand about 2 weeks between top-ups. No need to overload your seedlings. And also, so that the seedlings in this phase are not weak, do not abuse abundant watering, especially if you do not have drainage holes at the bottom of the cup. This will lead to the wilting of seedlings. Therefore, friends to whom the information from this video was useful, put a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a strong seedling and a good day. See you in the new videos.